Good morning, students. I hope that you will be safe from cold and you will be safe from COVID-19. Students, I hope that you have understood previous topics very well and you have learned that topics very well. Okay, students, today I am going to start new topic. New topic are new terms related to Mendel's experiment. Now, students, students, now we will discuss about the F1 generation. Okay, what is F1 generation? F1 generation, first filial, first filial generation, first filial generation. Okay, what is the F1 generation? F1 generation is the first filial generation. It is the first generation. It is the first generation. It is the first generation. First generation of spring that will be hybrid. Okay, hybrid produced by a cross, produced by a cross, produced by a cross. It is the first generation of offspring or hybrid produced by a cross between genetically different genetically different individuals, genetically different individuals called parents, It is the first generation of offspring or hybrid produced by a cross between genetically different individuals called parents. That's are the known as parents. Okay. The progeny produced by cross. The progeny produced by cross the progeny produced by cross the progeny produced by cross between the individuals of individuals of between the individuals of between the individuals of F1 generation called second filial generation generation. Okay, the progeny produced by cross between the individuals of F1 generation is generation called second filial generation or F2 generation. Okay. Students, suppose that a tall pea plant and tall genotype of tall, that will be capital T, and crossed by dwarf pea plant. Okay, capital T crossed by small t. Okay, now this is the parent generation. Okay, and now gamete formation. Gamete will be capital T. Okay, and each one will be small t. Now cross capital T, small t. Now this will be capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and this is the capital T, small t. And now this generation is F1 generation. F1 generation. Clear? These will be parent generation and this will be F1 generation. According to condition, when the cross take place between the member of F1 generation, then that time progeny will be obtained, and that progeny related to F2 generation. Okay? Now, F2 generation. F2 generation, capital T, small t, this will be hybrid tau, capital T, small t. Okay? As a result of this cross, first of all, and these are belonging to F1 generation. F1 generation. And gametes are capital T, small t. Now gametes capital T, small t. Okay? So this will be capital T, capital T. Capital T, capital T, capital T, small t. Now, capital T, small t, small t, small t. And the generation will be F2 generation. F2 generation. F2 generation. Second filial generation. Students, in next part of this video, we will discuss about the monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. Monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross.